Understanding, tying the knot, a fun exploration in English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular English phrase, tying the knot. This idiom is often heard, but what does it actually mean? Let's dive in and find out. The phrase, tying the knot, dates back to ancient times and has various cultural origins. Originally, it referred to the literal act of tying a knot, which was part of traditional marriage ceremonies in many cultures. These knots symbolize the unbreakable bond and unity between two people. Today, tying the knot is widely understood to mean getting married or entering into a marriage. Tying the knot is typically used in informal settings. For example, did you hear? Sarah and John are tying the knot next summer. We are busy planning our wedding. We're tying the knot in June. It's a light-hearted way to refer to the act of getting married and often brings a sense of excitement and joy. There are several other idioms that convey a similar meaning. For instance, getting hitched, another casual way to say getting married. Walking down the aisle refers specifically to the wedding ceremony. Each of these idioms adds a bit of color and personality to conversations about marriage. While tying the knot is widely understood in English-speaking countries, it's interesting to note that the concept of marriage is celebrated in various ways globally, and similar idioms exist in other languages. However, its usage might not be as clear to non-native speakers or in cultures where English idioms are not commonly used. We hope this video has helped you understand the charming idiom, tying the knot. Idioms like these enrich the English language, adding color and cultural depth. Remember, learning idioms is not just about the words, but the stories and traditions they carry. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.